little shiny. It was like, okay, it's plastic.
Not plastic, it's that. You want a towel around your shoulders?
Not really, because I'm going to throw the shirt in the trash. Okay. I'm not trashing, but the dirty clothes on. No, you ain't got my head, though. You ain't got my head.
Because all we need is this right now.
Today, grab your blankets, grab your treats, grab your wine, grab your seat. Today, I am shaving Mr. Arthur. This is my husband of 9 years, and I do this on Monday and Wednesday. And over the course of 9 years, I've somewhat perfected it. I'm not great. I'm no licensed barber, but I do shave my husband on Monday and Wednesdays. He's grown to love it, and it's a great bonding exercise for married couples or any couple. And this is something that we do together, and we thought we'd share it with you, just how I shave my husband and how I use the razor. I think by now you've seen me do my son's hair, my daughter's hair, and my hair. So thank you for joining our journey here at Mrs. Carter, and we hope you decide to subscribe. Y'all, disclaimer, my husband is a character. Always a ham and cutting up.
They're on a high simmer right now. They're like low, but they got a lot of bubbles going on.
If you listen closely, you can hear him talking to him about the oxtails we cooked on the other channel.
Cooking, I stirred it twice.
Now I'm taking the razor in a different direction and going up and down. He absolutely adores getting groomed. We've been doing this for 9 years. It's our 9th year of marriage. Here I'm beginning to work on tightening his goatee. Going in an inward motion. Right here, I'm beginning to work on his upper lip. And just working that razor all around his face. Staying as tight as I can to the original shape that I did, 3 days prior? So I do this on Sunday and Wednesday.
Run all that right there, boy. Bump, don't it? Oh, okay, hold on. Okay.
Fortunately.
So here I'm working with my left hand, which is extremely difficult for me, but I pull his face up and make it taut, and that helps open up the pores and pulls the hairs out more, and I'm able to get a closer shave when I do that. leaving the sound on because it's ASMR and some people like hearing the sound of the razor. I'm working on the inward motion, pushing back into that other goatee. I'm going to add some soft music for you guys and let this go ahead and play out. I push in an outward motion, working from the inside of his goatee to shave the inside of his goatee. I figured that out a long time ago, but if I just push against the outer, it's so hard to explain. But that's the best method for me. Be inside the goatee and push into the hair. Keeps a straight line.
Head up. My problem area, huh? My problem area is where I always miss a section, right?
I call that the problem area because I always forget to shave under his chin.
Yeah.
Sorry for the angle here. Here I'm shaving right above his lip. Just keep a close line to his upper lip and the hair and clean away any excess hair. Sorry, not a great angle.
Ooh. Going down, give it a whole other look. It's the olive look. Is that hot? Tickle.
It grows and then out of his mustache, and I think I took away too much hair, but he'll live. all done now, and he is very happy. Happy anniversary. Is my handsome husband. We do this again on Wednesday and Sundays, and he loves it. And it's a tradition that I always kiss his nose and his lips once I'm done shaving him. Thank you so much for watching and letting us get personal with you guys and just showing you how we stay bonded. But also, it's a great idea or activity to do together is shaving your husband. Nothing to be scared of, and it's he loves it, and I absolutely adore doing hair. So splash him with a little bit of alcohol. He hates that. See, right on the nose. And you guys subscribe and keep up with our family activities and vlogs, hair vlogs, and just how we do things here at the Carter House. Okay, bye-bye.